Hello guys, welcome to the second video tutorial on Visual Basic. In the last video I have shown you how to download Visual Studio from the internet and how to make your first Visual Basic project. And I have shown you when you click this show message button, it shows you some message. Now in this video I will show you how to use a variable and how to declare variables in Visual Basic. So in this video also I'm going to use this button, and I will double click this button, and in here first of all I want to declare some variables. So first of all, let's see how we can declare variables in Visual Basic. So from here, just public class form1, just go below that, and I will make some space here. And to declare a variable in Visual Basic, just write dim, and it's just tells Visual Basic that we are going to declare and allocate a space to a variable, and then we say the name of the variable. For example, I name my variable as message, and then we say what kind of variable we want to declare. So we write as, and then space, and then what data type we want to use. So for example, I want to use string. So we declare a variable dim and the name of the variable as string, and then we will give the values to the variable string. So just write any message. This is a message string. Okay, so in this way you can declare a variable in Visual Studio. So it's a little different from other languages like C++ and C sharp. So just see at this, and you don't give any semicolon at the last, so just remember this also. And for example, I want to declare integer. So what I will say, int, or first of all dim, and then int var, the name of my variable, as, and then I will declare an integer. So I say integer is equal to 25. Okay, so this integer you can declare like this, and the as same on the same pattern you can declare double or float and any other variable. Now once you have declared this variable, how can you use it in your button click event? So for example, I want to show this message, which is this is message string, using this message box. So I will just copy this message variable and I will paste it inside this message box. So message box dot show message, and let's try and run the program. And when I say, or when I click this show message, it shows me the same message. This is the message string. Okay, in the same way, if you want to show this int variable inside a message box, just copy this variable and paste it here, and when you run the program and when you say show message, it shows me this variable integer, which is 25. So in this way you can declare variables in Visual Basic. I hope you have enjoyed this video, and please rate, comment and subscribe, and bye for now.